Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Resolve to crop and reframe for TikTok and Reels. Full guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve. Import your video clip into the media pool. Drag the clip onto your timeline. Select the clip in the timeline. Navigate to the inspector panel in the upper right corner. Enable crop by clicking the checkbox. Adjust the crop settings to focus on the desired area of your video. Use the crop sliders to fine-tune the top, bottom, left, and right edges. Next, locate the transform settings in the inspector panel. Adjust the position settings to center your frame as needed. Change the zoom level to fill the TikTok or Reels aspect ratio. For TikTok, ensure the final aspect ratio is 9:16. For Reels, use the same 9:16 ratio. Use the playback function to preview your adjustments. If necessary, continue refining the crop and zoom until satisfied. Once you're happy with the look, navigate to the Deliver tab. Select your desired export settings. Choose the file format best suited for TikTok or Reels. Click on Add to Render Queue. Start the rendering process by clicking Render All. Once rendering is complete, locate your video file. Now your video is ready to be uploaded to TikTok or Reels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.